In today's video, we are going to explore the complete story of one of the world's most popular battle royale games, Garena Free Fire. Its birth, success, controversies, evolution, and the unbelievable impact it has made on global gaming culture. Free Fire is not just a game, it's the emotion of millions, a career path for thousands of streamers, and a daily passion for countless gamers. Let's begin the journey. The birth of Free Fire, how it all started. The year was 2016. The battle royale genre was still in its early stage. PUBG PC was gaining popularity, but there was no major battle royale game for mobile. That's when Garena decided to create a game that even low-end devices could run. A game accessible to everyone. They partnered with a small development team called 111.Studio with a clear vision. Quick match duration. Small map. Simple controls. Smooth performance on low RAM phones. On November 20th, 2017, Free Fire was first launched as an open beta. Then, on December 4th, 2017, it had its official global release. And that's where the history began. What Free Fire looked like in the beginning. In the early days, the graphics were simple. There was only one map, Bermuda, and very few characters like Andrew, Kelly, Maxim, and Olivia. But three things caught everyone's attention. Full match in just 10 minutes. 50 players on a small map with fast-paced action. Excellent performance on low-end devices. This made Free Fire accessible to everyone, even without high-end phones like PUBG required. And that became its biggest secret to success. Explosive popularity. From 2018, Free Fire's popularity skyrocketed. Streamers from Brazil, Indonesia, India, and Bangladesh started showcasing the game on YouTube. Garena kept adding new characters, new skins, new guns, ranked mode, lucky spin, gold royale, diamond royale. Very soon, Free Fire became not just a game, it became a lifestyle. In 2019, Free Fire became the most downloaded game on Google Play Store. The character skill system, a game-changing idea. One of Free Fire's biggest innovations was the character skill system. Characters like Alok, Kay, Skylar, Chrono brought unique abilities into the game. Especially DJ Alok, whose skill Drop the Beat made him a global hit. Free Fire even featured real-life icons. Indian cricketer KL Rahul, American Indian musician KSHMR, singer Jay Beeston, and even Cristiano Ronaldo, known as Chrono in the game. This fusion of real celebrities with in-game characters made Free Fire truly unique. Expansion of maps from Bermuda to Bermuda Remastered. Over the years, Garena added new maps, Purgatory, Kalahari, Bermuda Remastered, various themed maps. Each map offered a fresh experience. Bermuda Remastered, released permanently in 2021, was a major visual and structural upgrade. The rise of Free Fire esports. Free Fire was not just for fun anymore, it became an esports powerhouse. Major tournaments such as Free Fire World Series, FFWS, Free Fire Continental Series, Free Fire Asia Championship. Thousands of teams competed, and prize pools reached millions of dollars. FFWS 2021 achieved over 5 million plus live viewers, breaking YouTube's global live view record at the time. Teams from Bangladesh, India, Brazil, and Indonesia played a massive role in its success. Global ban, the biggest shock. In 2022, the government of India banned Free Fire citing data security issues. This was one of the biggest setbacks in Free Fire's history. India was one of the largest markets for the game. Many streamers lost their careers, esports teams collapsed, and the community faced a huge loss. Even though Free Fire Max remained available, the original game's ban was a heavy blow. Free Fire Max, a new era of graphics. In 2021, Garena released Free Fire Max, polished version with enhanced graphics, better animations, improved UI, high-quality sound. Yet, Max and original Free Fire players could still play together using Firelink. Although Max became popular in many countries, original Free Fire remained the favorite for low-end device users. Gameplay evolution from launch to today. Free Fire changed drastically over the years. New modes: Clash Squad, CS mode, became one of the most popular modes. Game mechanics, active and passive skills, glue wall, double vector meta, Chronos shield meta, regular nerfs and buffs. Every update shaped the game in a new way. Collaboration events, huge global collaborations such as Money Heist, Attack on Titan, One Punch Man,
Cristiano Ronaldo.
These made Free Fire a globally recognized brand. Criticism of Free Fire. With popularity comes criticism. Common criticisms were pay-to-win character system, overly flashy skins, too many young players, lower graphics compared to PUBG, addiction issues. Still, Garena continued solving problems through updates and balance changes. Free Fire in Bangladesh. Free Fire became extremely popular in Bangladesh between 2019 to 2021. Bangladeshi streamers and esports teams grew rapidly. Popular creators like Amit Gaming BD, Gaming with Naeem TSG, R9 Ronaldo, helped the game reach millions. Free Fire became a part of Bangladeshi gaming culture. The future of Free Fire, what's coming next? Garena is now preparing Free Fire for the future. A brand new game engine, next-level graphics, strong anti-cheat system, better optimization, possible console and PC expansion. Free Fire is evolving, growing, and expanding because it is not just a game, it is the emotion of millions of players. Conclusion. Garena Free Fire is a game that opened the door of Battle Royale gaming for low-end mobile users. It represents joy, struggle, friendship, competition, and dreams. Free Fire began as a small idea. Today, it has become a global gaming phenomenon.